Is cracking your own neck, low back, or hip bad? Here's what you need to know. While self-cracking might feel good temporarily, you're not hitting the root cause of the problem. You're likely moving already mobile joints and not addressing the ones that are stuck. And over time, this can create instability within the joint. So find a chiropractor you like that can target that specific joint and use an intentful, purposeful adjustment to correct the problem. So ditch the DIY, let a pro handle your spine, your neck will thank you. DJ Avis, Avis Family Chiropractic, Farmington, Arkansas.